Did you know that 20% of all teenagers had experienced depression before adulthood? Depression is a common occurrence and it can affect anyone. The problem is that most of us don't realize it. And there are many people who have a hint but choose to ignore the signs and hide it from others as they feel ashamed to tell and ask for help. It is important to understand that just like any physical illness, depression is an illness and can be treated if not ignored. For Psyche's Sake presents 7 Hidden Signs of Depression. 1. Prolonged sadness and low mood. Do you often find yourself in a low mood and you just can't shake it? And you are not sure why? And can't think of anything that will cheer you up? When you are suffering from depression, things that normally cheer you up don't work like they used to, they don't lift your mood like they used to. You might also find yourself crying for no reason, not knowing what is making you so sad. Please don't ignore this and reach out for help. 2. Not able to find enjoyment in things you love to do. Have you lost interest in things that you used to love? Do you find yourself avoiding activities that you enjoyed and looked forward to? Like sports, video games, hanging out, or even lost interest in knowing what happens next in your favorite TV show? Depression can take away the joy and pleasure from your once favorite things. This sudden loss of interest is a major telltale sign of depression. It is normal to find an old interest getting replaced with a new one, but having nothing that interests you and brings pleasure is a problem. And it's time you have a talk with someone and get help. 3. Getting irritated and frustrated easily. Do you feel like you have become very moody and irritable lately? More than your normal self? Have you become very short-tempered and snap out on your loved ones for no reason, when you were not like this earlier? Many people are moody and have a short temper. You might know a few such people yourself. But if this is not your general behavior, then it can very likely be a sign of depression. The problem is that this behavior is common amongst many people, so it is often just swept under the rug, saying that you are very moody and short-tempered. 4. Change in weight and appetite. Some people going through depression find comfort in food and turn to excessive eating, while some lose their appetite and eat less due to low mood. This sudden change in eating habits can indicate depression, if it is not intentional. This causes them to gain or lose weight and also has a direct impact on mood and energy levels. If you have this symptom, and it is paired with other symptoms, then it's time to take action and reach out to your loved ones, or a professional counselor for help. 5. Wanting to be alone all the time. When you are suffering from depression, you don't want to be around people. As when you are, and people find you sad or moody, and ask what is troubling you, you can't tell, as you yourself don't know. So you feel like you have to put up an act around them and act like you normally would. This is too much for you, and this emotional strain makes you give up on socializing altogether. You find yourself avoiding people and wanting to be alone all the time. If you find yourself like this, it is time to talk to someone who understands you, or talk to a counselor for help. 6. Trouble in sleeping or irregular sleep. Did you know that prolonged lack of sleep can lead to depression? There is a strong connection between our sleeping pattern and our mood. Researchers found chronic sleep deprivation, which means experiencing sleeplessness, or getting insufficient sleep for a long period of time, can lead to depression. And vice versa, depression can make it more difficult to fall asleep. However, if you are sleeping more than normal, then it could also be a sign of depression. In a gist, if you find that you have unknowingly developed an irregular sleeping pattern, it could be depression. 7. Always tired. Research has found that almost 90% of people suffering from depression experience fatigue and feel tired often. Although everyone feels tired from time to time. But if you find yourself feeling tired all the time without actually doing anything tiring, then it could be a sign of depression, especially if it is accompanied with other symptoms. Do you know someone who might be struggling with depression? Have you struggled with depression yourself? And what helped you? Share with us in the comments below. If you find the video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and share with friends. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the bell icon so we can notify you when a new video comes up. And as always, thanks for watching.